everyone, my name is Tima Lydia. I am a student in class TBI2 and this is my UAS extensive listening project. The podcast I choose is called Why Are More Young Americans Living at Home? It is from the Daily by the New York Times. Here is the link to the podcast. This podcast can be found on the official website of the New York Times and is also available on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. I choose this podcast because it discusses an interesting topic that is relevant to many young people today, especially as the cost of living rises globally. This episode discusses the increasing trend of young adults in the United States choosing to live with their parents instead moving out. The reasons include high rent costs, low wages, and the aftermath of the pandemic. Experts in the podcast explain how this trend is reshaping societal expectations and family dynamics. Living with parents as an adult is something that is also common in Indonesia. The discussions in this podcast reminds me of how cultural and economic factors shape our life choice. Listening to this podcast improved my listening skill because it uses real-life vocabulary and natural conversations. It also helped me understand how to follow discussions in English on complex topics. The challenge I faced while listening was the speed of the speaker and some unfamiliar vocabulary. To overcome this, listen the podcast multiple tips and look up the difficult words in a dictionary. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.